right, good afternoon, all you droniacs out there. Just checking in. Gonna be going out for a new flight. Show you where we're at. We're at this is Veterans Memorial. There's a Veterans Memorial right here along Highway 23, Duluth, Minnesota, just outside of Jay Cooke State Park. Would like to get here when there's a lot more leaves on the trees, but whatever, it's still a pretty beautiful site. I think we're going to see a lot of cool things. Not sure how far we're going to get out there. It is pretty windy out, so we're going to keep it relatively close. I don't know, maybe we'll push the boundaries, see how far we can get in there, but we'll get some nice views. Jay Cooke is just probably right over those trees, right over there. And this is, I actually came here once before. I had an older drone. I'll put that link up there for you guys to check out if you want to see that. But yeah, we get still have some pretty nice color on these bushes here, but it was a lot prettier here a couple weeks ago. I wish we could have got out here then, but his timing wasn't right, busy schedule, life gets in the way, you know how that all works. So I'll show you, take a little better look at this memorial here. Come on over here. It's a really cool place. So if you're in the area, traveling to Duluth, I'd recommend checking it out. So, a couple memorials for those that served in the armed forces. Pretty cool. If you're into this kind of stuff, you want to check out, pay your respects to all those who have fought for our country. That'd be a really nice place to come and check this out. It's just a small little memorial, but it's really nice to see and get some really killer views too. Let's see, for God and country. Served in World War II. Not sure what branch of the service he was in. Does it say? No. Really would like to, might be kind of cool to check this out. All right, and then this is just telling about the geology of St. Louis River. I'm not gonna, you can kind of see the river when I'll fly, but I'm not gonna read that whole thing. You can pause it if you want, and check this out. And it's really kind of cool talking about, like it said, the geology of the place and of the area that we're in, and just kind of talking about where we're at. It's kind of nice to know where we're at and how we got there. So let's come on over here. But yeah, like I said, you should come out here, check things out. Really cool out here. Like I said, you get some really killer views. And that's the St. Louis River you can see down there in the distance. Probably won't be able to reach that far, but we'll see how far we can get to see it. Capture, what's left of the color on those trees. Because a lot of golds right now, but the reds kind of have went away. But we'll see what we can find. All right. Well, I hope you like this little intro. I'll be posting my actual flight here in the coming days, so keep checking back me at the YouTube channel. A good way to know that I posted that video is hit the little bell icon. It'll give you a notification when I post. Oh, there's a little trail down there. I didn't notice that. Huh. I wonder where that goes. Maybe I'll have to go check it out. But yeah, so like I was saying, hit the little bell icon. It lets you know when I post my next video. And while you're at it, you might as well like this video, hit that subscribe button, do all that kind of stuff that YouTubers want you to do to their videos. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.